More than 3 months ago, I went on USA's nicest train, Brightline, and today we're reviewing it. Welcome to episode 3 of Reviewing Trains. Brightline, reporting mark BLFX, is an intercity rail route in the United States that runs between Miami and Orlando, Florida. Part of the route runs on track owned and shared by the Florida East Coast Railway. When I went on Brightline, I went from Miami Central, go check out the Reviewing Stations episode, to Fort Lauderdale. So here's our train, and let's board. Brightline has two options for passengers, premium class and smart class. Today I took premium class since it was only a 33-minute journey, so the tickets weren't that expensive. To the right, you have two seats facing each other. To the left, you have two seats facing another two seats. I took the two seats facing another two seats since I was traveling with two other passengers on board. Off to Fort Lauderdale. The first service was on January 13th, 2018, nearly 7 years ago, and it's still this nice because of remodeling. There were 2,053,893 passengers back in 2023. You traveled 235 miles with 6 stops on the way to Orlando or Miami, and the average travel time is 3.5 hours. Brightline plans to extend all the way to Tampa in the near future. Brightline is a privately owned and operated high-speed passenger train service in Florida that began development in March 2012. The project was originally called All Aboard Florida and was developed by Florida East Coast Industries, a real estate developer owned by Fortress Investment Group. Construction began in November 2014 and the first revenue service began in January 2018 between Fort Lauderdale and West Palm Beach. Brightline's purpose is to provide a solution for routes that are too long to drive but too short to fly. And here's a quick look at the bathroom. Service for dining starts after the West Palm Beach stop, so I couldn't eat anything, but they still gave me the menu to look out for a future ride. Tracks are owned by the Florida East Coast Railway from Miami to Cocoa, Florida, and then after that to Orlando. Tracks are owned by Brightline. And those are the tracks that take you up to 125 miles per hour. The train is led by a Siemens Charger SCB-40 locomotive, one in the front and one at the back. And the passenger cars are Siemens Ventures. In between the cars, you have the bathroom and this little room. It's for calls that you need to be quiet. And it also has this nice little window. All in all, Brightline is the nicest train in America, and that is why. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.